blockchain, also called distributed ledger technology, has huge promise in the corporate world. So it's important that you understand the fundamentals of the technology and also what it can, and more importantly, cannot do. Web3 and the metaverse. What's all the hype about? And where might these technologies impact my business? Cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. Just a fad or something that has real promise? Ambient Technologies. Beyond talking to our tech with a Hey Siri or Hey Alexa, what happens when we're being listened to all the time? Digital identity. How do we prove who we are, and how can we own our own digital identity? We're now familiar with the blue tick on Twitter that used to be a sign that a person was actually real. But what about if LinkedIn allowed our employer to upload to our own personal blockchain a digital token proving we actually work for them, and it was then shown as a verified position on LinkedIn? Cybersecurity. If you don't have two-factor turned on for everything and create unique passwords for every site you use, aided by a password manager, then you're more likely to be hacked. Generative AI. Start exploring this fascinating area by creating some AI art with platforms such as Midjourney, DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion, and then head over to ChatGPT to have it write your latest proposal in seconds. These are just some areas where it will pay to be more digitally curious. All of these topics and more I speak about in greater depth in my Becoming Digitally Curious talk.